Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing the 5-minute makeup challenge video. If this is something you'd be interested in watching, so definitely keep on watching. But guys, before we start off this video, please, if you're not subscribed already, please hit the subscribe button down below and also click the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. And without wasting more time, let's start off the video. So first off, I'm going to go ahead to set my timer for 5 minutes. So guys, I really don't know how this is going to go, but I'm really keeping my fingers crossed, hoping it goes well, because it takes me about 5-15 minutes. Sorry, what am I saying? It takes me to 15 to an hour to do my eyebrows on some days, and my brows is like unruly, like it's growing everywhere right now. So I really hope this goes well, because my brows alone, you know. So now 5 minutes, so I'm just going to first things first, I'm going in with my primer. Guys, I'm not going to be saying what I'm doing. This is a challenge, but I'm going to leave in the description box list of I'm going to be using in this video. But this is just a fun video. I really need to see what the time is saying so that I know what I'm doing. I had to go for a brush, you know, for my foundation because this is the only thing that is about to help me. I'm not even going to bother about that earring. It usually takes me a long time to actually blend my foundation, but I'm hoping today is better. Oh, 1 minute is gone. To consider. So we got this. Guys, there's really no process. Things are falling everywhere. Guys, can I get this done? Less than 3 minutes. I don't know which is worse, calling out the time, looking at the time, or starting this challenge. Hope everything is good, everything is good, everything is well. Time to set. I think I got some powder in my eyes. Try this. This is tension. Less than 2 minutes. Is free. Guys, I'm gonna apply to this. Woo. shouldn't be looking for anything right now. I'm going to do my mascara. Guys, less than 30 seconds. I need something for my lips. Seconds. This is crazy. Who thought this up? Six minutes, 4 minutes. What else? What else? Guys, time is oh my goodness. But this doesn't look bad. I can use this. I could wear this for errands. I can even go. I can go with this to work. I don't know what to say, but this is how everything came up. It came out. This isn't bad actually. I just need my setting spray to die down more. So guys, this is how everything came out. It's not so bad. It's not terrible. You know, I could wear this to run errands. I could go with this to work. You know, it's very toned down, very minimal. And I had everything laid out in front of me. You know, everything I would need for this makeup. But I wasn't able to do my eyebrow. I wasn't able to do my eyeshadow. I didn't even put highlights. I couldn't even find my highlighter brush. Now I see it in front of me. I don't know where my earring that's flew off during this challenge. So guys, this is the end of this video, this challenge, this 5-minute challenge. Yeah guys, this is the end of this tutorial. This wasn't a tutorial, this was just a fun makeup challenge. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up down below. Like, comment, share and subscribe, and also click the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.